The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the Samsung Galaxy J2 Pure for Cricket Wireless. So the Galaxy J2 Pure is a new phone for Cricket Wireless. This is a budget phone, so you keep that in mind. So the Galaxy J2 Pure is available for $119.99 when you join Cricket or if you upgrade your phone or whatever. So for $118, you guys will not be getting a whole lot. There's a phone right there. It has big bezels on the front. It does have big bezels on top and bottom. It has a 16:9 screen, so you're not gonna get like the latest in terms of like 18:9 terms or nothing like that. But for a budget phone, it is what it is, guys. So do keep it in mind. So on the Galaxy J2 Pure, you have the earpiece, front-facing camera, your screen there, your Samsung logo at the bottom, and you have on-screen keys. You have a power button on the right side, volume button on the left side. It's available in black there. On the left side, you have your volume button and your volume button. The camera does stick out just a bit. And then on the back of the Galaxy J2 Pure, you guys have camera flash, Cricket logo, Samsung logo, and your speaker I think is right here, and you have a little notch that right off the back to remove the battery. So that is a win. I do like the Samsung UI right there. I like the wallpaper, kind of pinkish purplish color. It looks really nice. But the display on this thing is not great at all. It's trash in my opinion. So it says that the Samsung Galaxy J2 Pure offers just what you need from a brand new trust at a price that won't break the bank. Is the perfect choice. With the fast 4G LTE speed of Cricket's network and powerful quad-core performance, Galaxy J2 Pure can keep up with you throughout your busy day. Its large 5-inch display fits comfortably in your hand or pocket and is great for checking text, email, and social media on the go. The 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front cameras let you capture crisp, bright photos, stay organized, and up on recent news, weather, and notifications with Bixby Home. So it has Bixby Home on there, so that's pretty cool there. And to keep you productive all day long, the J2 Pure packs a long-lasting battery with power-saving mode. Alright. So the Galaxy J2 specs not that great. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so don't expect a whole lot from this phone, guys. Okay, don't expect a whole lot. It has a 5-inch display. It's quarter HD. That is 540 by 960 pixels, and that's about 220 ppi. I believe it is 220 ppi. I believe that's the pixel density on this phone. The 5-inch is quarter HD. It's basically a 540p screen. It has dragon tail glass. It has a quad-core processor and 4G LTE, of course. 8-megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash and HD video. That's probably 720p video because it says HD, so it's probably 720p. 5-megapixel front-facing camera, 16GB of memory with support for up to 512GB of microSD card expansion. So you can put up to a 512GB microSD card in here, so that's a win. You guys will need that. It has 2600 mAh battery. It is removable, and it also has power saving mode. It has easy mode for a simplified user experience. Sleek design, bold screen. Okay. The sleekly designed Galaxy J2 Pure fits comfortably in your hand or pocket. The on-screen buttons give you a larger viewing area when watching, browsing, and texting on the 5-inch quarter HD display without added bulk. Plus, dragon tail glass that provides added protection from scratches and drops. Cool camera features. The Galaxy J2 Pure provides a fun and easy camera experience. Simply double press the power button to quickly launch the camera. Capture crisp, bright photos with the 8-megapixel rear camera with LED flash. Take the perfect selfie or video chat with friends using the 5-megapixel front camera, and with the selfie stickers you can create the perfect effect. making every day easier. The Galaxy GT Pure is packed with features that make your life easier and productive. Bixby Home learns what you like to do and works with your favorite apps and services to help you get more done. News, weather, and reminders without having to open any apps. Easy mode lets you get right to what you want on a simplified interface with larger fonts and fewer icons. Samsung Health lets you keep track of your fitness goals by helping you track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and track sleep habits. Samsung Smart Manager enables your phone. Samsung Smart Manager ensures your phone is operating in top form. It scans and optimizes data usage to preserve battery levels, manage storage, and memory levels. Alright, so it was talking about a lot of Samsung features in there. So it has the Bixby Home, of course. That's pretty much standard on all Samsung phones now, budget phones and high-end phones. It has the Samsung Help. It has the Samsung Smart Manager on there. It has Samsung Health on there, which is pretty cool. The Galaxy JT Pure has Android 8.1 Oreo. It has Samsung Experience UI on there. The dimensions of the Galaxy J2 Pure is 5.65 inches height, 2.84 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The screen, like I said, is 5-inch display. It's quarter HD display, which is 540p display, which display looks like shit. It's 220 ppi right there, 16 gigabytes of internal storage with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Micro SD card slot up to 512 gigs. Your connectivity options for the Galaxy JT Pure has LTE, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB charging port, no Type-C on this. Hotspot capable, of course. You have to pay extra fee for that. Wi-Fi manager. The cameras on the JT Pure, 8 megapixel in the back with flash and HD video, and 5 megapixel camera on the front with display flash. But that also records HD video as well, if I'm not mistaken. It's GPS, of course, HD voice, of course. 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, probably Exynos, maybe Exynos or Snapdragon, one of the two processors. It has a quad-core processor though. 2600 mAh battery. It is removable, so that is a win. It has internet compatibility, rate plan requirements. Obviously, you have to have a qualifying monthly service plan. Accessories for the J2 Pure are here. You guys got cases and stuff like that. You got charger. You got charging cables. You got headphones and stuff like that. Bluetooth speakers, stuff like that. Wall adapters and all that. Headphones and all the whole nine. The pop sockets and all that stuff. And the whole nine. If you guys want any accessories for the J2 Pure, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy J2 2018, and you guys will get accessories for the Galaxy J2 2018. Just go to Amazon. So they got accessories here, but go to Amazon, type in Galaxy J2 2018, and you guys will get accessories for that for cheaper, possibly, and then y'all have a lot more choices to choose from. I don't know why it says I don't know why it has Type-C chargers in here, but it is what it is. Go to Amazon and you guys will get stuff for cheaper. So there it is, guys. The Samsung Galaxy JT Pure, now available at Cricket Wireless for $119.99. This is a budget phone, guys. I like the fact that it has LTE. I like the fact that it has a removable battery, micro SD card slot, Android Oreo. It's not Pie, and this phone will not get Pie. I doubt it, but who knows. I like the fact that it's LTE. Like I said, it has Oreo, and it has a removable battery and a micro SD card slot. But other than that, the phone's, man, I mean, this is a budget phone, guys. I mean, so you're not gonna get the greatest experience with this phone. I mean, the display is shit. The display is completely fucking shit on this phone. It has big fucking bezels on top and bottom. It has a micro USB charging port. So don't know why they're still doing that in 2019, but it is what it is, guys. So there it is, guys. Samsung Galaxy JT Pure. That's just pure shit in my opinion. But yeah, that's just my opinion. It's pure shit. So Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.